Well, I grew it. It's a mustache. Sort of a soul patch there. Do you like it? Not sure how you feel about it? The mustache is new to Rio. Such a good boy. That's you. That's you in there. See how beautiful you are? Rio, this is kind of awkward. You're sort of making out with yourself. Don't be embarrassed. No, you're beautiful.